Adding text in a slide. Text is the heart and soul of an effective PowerPoint presentation. PowerPoint makes it easy to work with text like Word, Excel, and so forth. Here's how to add text in a slide. Click the text box which appears in the slide. The default text disappears and an insertion point appears in the text box. Type the text that you want to play on display during the slideshow. When finished, click outside of the text box. Now we are done with adding text to a slide. If you want to add one or more text boxes, you will need to create your own text box and customize its dimensions. To do this, go to the Insert Command tab. Move the mouse pointer around the text group. Click the text box command. After selecting the option, your mouse pointer will be changed. In the slide, click and drag your mouse to create the dimensions of your text box. When you release the mouse once, the text box appears with the insertion point like this. You can add any number of text boxes to your next presentation. Type your text that you want to display. When finished, click outside the text box. To delete a text box. Deleting a text box will also delete all its contents. Select the border of a text box. The border is highlighted. Then press the Delete button. Now the text box is removed. Changing text format. In this lesson, we will discuss how to apply formats to the text. There are many options for formatting in PowerPoint 2007. We can change the text size, style, color, and other options easily. To apply a format to a text, do the following. Select the text that you want to format. Go to the Home tab and hover the mouse in the Font group. Click the Font dialog box launcher. The font dialog box is displayed on the page. Change the font name to Courier, style to bold, and size to 30. Here is the Font Color button. It is used to change the text color. If you want to use it, click on the button. Now the color palette appears. Pick your favorite color. You can also apply an underline to the text. For that, pull down the underline style. It shows the different styles of underlining. Choose a line style you want to apply to the text. We can also apply colors to the underline. For instance, click the Underline Color button. This displays a color palette. Then click your favorite color to apply to the underline. Here I have used limited options for changing the text format. Here are some more options. If you wish to apply a strike-through, you may use this checkbox. You can apply a double strike-through format. Here is the double strike-through checkbox. A subscript or superscript is a number, figure, symbol, or indicator that appears smaller than the normal line of type and is set slightly below or above it. You can also use offset for specifying the position of the text. Small caps are uppercase characters that are printed in a smaller size than normal uppercase characters of the same font. All caps refers to text or a font in which all letters are capital letters. And this is the special option which helps to equalize the characters that are the same height and width. If you want to apply spacing between the characters, here's the tab which provides options for applying spaces between the characters. And when you're finished, click on the OK button. In this lesson, we've explored ways to format text. In the forthcoming lessons, you'll become very familiar with formatting text.